lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with no makeup routine, which is all natural flawless based makeup, and if you'd like to know how I do it, please keep watching. So for today's look, I'll be using MAC Studio Sculpt's SPF 15 full coverage foundation, this Sephora Concealer, Cabra from Benefit Cosmetics, e.l.f. Face Primer, lip gloss from MAC for the nude lips. For dewy look, I'll be using MAC Prime Prep Plus Prime, and for my eyelashes, I'll be using the Falsies Lash Lip from Maybelline Nw York, and my eyeliner from Sephora. For my eyeshadow, I'll be using Naked 2 palette and little bit of highlighter from Sephora. That's it. So shall we start? So first thing first, I'll be applying this MAC Prep Prime for my lips to hydrate it. That's it, to give it a smooth look. And I already have moisturized my face, so we'll move on to the next step. I'll be using this primer, like just this much, because you don't want to close your pore entirely. I'll be using my finger to apply this, so if you wish, you can use sponge. Usually I don't use primer, like, because I don't wear makeup too much. Rarely I do makeup if I have to go out. If I am home, I like to, leave my face without makeup. So yeah. Done with the primer. And next, I'll apply this MAC foundation. Because it is full coverage foundation, I'll be using just a little bit of it. I'll use this sponge, makeup sponge. So done with the foundation. Next, I'm gonna use my Sephora Concealer. Just a little bit of it. You can use any other concealer if you want. I'm using this one. Just spraying a little bit of this on the sponge. So done with the concealer as well. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Cabra from Benefit. and done. Moving on. So next I'll be using blush, just a little bit of it. I don't like too much of blush, so I'm just, yeah, there. And I'm just using my finger for applying a highlighter, and that too not too much, just a little bit of it to highlight your cheekbone. And that's it. A little bit of highlighter here. Oh, I skipped this step. Just brush your eyebrow. I'm sorry. Yeah. I love applying this spray, the makeup spray, so I'm gonna apply this. You can see the shine on my face. Yeah, this is what it does. So always use this one or any other makeup spray, whatever you like, whatever brand you want. Just spray it to give it a fresh dewy look. And doing okay, so you can use your eyeliner or you can completely skip this step because it's completely optional. So I like the both. I like applying eyeliner as well as the mascara. So this time I'll be using the both. So next step will be applying your eyeshadow. I'll be using this Naked 2 palette. For that, first I'll use this tease shade. Okay, so give it a little bit of drama. I'll be using this Sweet Tea. I'm sorry I didn't mention it earlier, but then I'll be using 2 eye palettes. So this is also from Maybelline New York. That's it. And the next step will be applying my eyeliner. You can totally skip this step. That's it. Next, I'm gonna use this falsies eyelashes mascara from Maybelline. There. And that's it. Done with my eyes. And the next will be my lip gloss from MAC and applying this. That's it. So this is my no makeup routine, and for the final touch I'll be using this MAC Prep Prime face mist. And that's it for today. So if you like this video, please leave comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to my channel, like this video, and thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.